Here's a result of less than 5 minutes of total work. Watch the full video in order to remake this simple analytics page. Today's tutorial will lead you in development of your first web app step by step with a little help of AI. We're starting with a long ChatGPT prompt that contains a lot of information regarding this Streamlit web app's purpose, content, and structure. It's important to outline all of the aspects you want to see on your web app on the first try, as you'll receive a great outline for your future development. We'll wait for only a few seconds, and we're going to receive our ready-to-deploy code. Here's code generation part. As you can see, in today's world, you don't really need to be a programmer, since AI helps you a lot with code generation. You only need to know how to ask specific questions that lead to results that you want to get. Since it's an app that bases on CSV data that you upload, we're also going to ask our AI friend to generate the data that we'll use to test this app's functionality. In the meantime, we're going to load our code to Visual Studio Code and save it as a Python file. We'll also open the location of the code right away. In a second, we're going to jump to this location using cmd command to test run our page. We're also going to download the data that the chat generated. Here I have cmd already opened. If you don't know how to open, I'll show you in a second.
Do it just like that.
Simply type cmd in the Windows search. Since I'm a little clumsy, I'll reopen the file location that I've lost, and we're going to jump to it in the command line. We copy the location and paste it to command line with a cd command. Cd means change directory. And now it's time to display our web app for the first time. We're going to use command that's visible on the screen. Let's load the file that we've downloaded from GPT. As you can see, the correlation heat map didn't load because of some error that will return to AI, as it should help us to promptly resolve the problem. As seen on the screen, the AI has already found the answer to our problem. It's already redone a code so that the heat map loads properly. Now our job is to copy and paste the code snippet in relevant place. Don't forget about indents in Python code. Now simply rerun the app using R or F5. Both reload the page. It's time for playing with the filters and verification if everything works properly. AI solution helped to resolve the issue with the code. Now everything on our page works perfectly, and we have a simple tool that analyzes loaded CSV files.